Hey, I gotta make this video. 2014 GMC, I'm sorry, 14 was total. In 2004 GMC YUKON XL having transmission problems. Sorry, this mountain is kind of bouncy, but car having transmission problems. Basically, like, when I start off in drive, I can go from drive, it'll change gears from first to second, but instead of going into third gear, it automatically, like, I guess when it tries to engage in third isn't there, so it'll go back into second, and I'm getting high RPMs. Now the transmission will kind of settle when I take my foot off the gas like it normally does in an automatic transmission, but when I put my foot back on the gas to go, it's going all the way to 5,000 RPM almost. So I'm thinking what's happening is jump back a second, but I'm not sure. If y'all don't know anything about these transmissions in these trucks, if there's something I can do besides replacing the transmission, let me know. Other than that though, like, I mean, if there's nothing I can do but replace it. If you know somebody that has a transmission, used transmission, let me know, man, because I need one real bad. This thing is like driving crazy, and man, it's drinking a lot of gas. I have to go all the way to Conyers to work, and this thing is drinking a lot of gas. I have to put like $25 a day in this thing just to get back and forth to work, or more. But yeah, if y'all, there's anything y'all can do to help me out, just let me know. Appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good morning.